The Brooklyn Bridge, completed in 1883, stands as a testament to 19th century engineering ingenuity and innovation. Spanning the East River, this iconic structure connects Manhattan and Brooklyn with a single grand arch, fulfilling the vision of one great flying leap from shore to shore over the masts of the ships. The bridge's construction introduced several groundbreaking techniques, including the use of large pneumatic caissons for foundation work and steel wire suspension cables, which were stronger and more manageable than traditional iron cables. Its four main cables, each composed of 5,434 continuous steel wires, support the bridge's impressive span. At the time of its completion, the Brooklyn Bridge was a technological marvel that towered over the five-story buildings of New York City. It took 14 years to build, from 1869 to 1883, overcoming numerous challenges including political obstacles and the harsh elements. The bridge's durability is evident in its continued service today, carrying over 100,000 vehicles, 4,000 cyclists, and 10,000 pedestrians daily. The Brooklyn Bridge not only revolutionized urban connectivity, but also symbolized America's rapid progress and industrialization in the late 19th century. Its blend of engineering prowess and architectural beauty continues to define the New York City skyline, serving as both a functional marvel and an enduring icon of American innovation.